Hello friends, today's video is based on a country where 70% of the people are forced to live in poverty. The world's second largest river also flows through this country. What shameful acts do the people here do to satisfy their sexual desires? People from this country have the most memorizers of the Quran in the world. So today, we will travel to Sudan. Today's video is extremely interesting. Please watch the video until the end, and to all our new friends, I request you to subscribe to our channel, share as much as you can, and like the video. Also, make sure to press the bell icon so you can receive notifications for all our new videos. Sudan, whose official name is the Republic of Sudan, is a poor Muslim country in Northeast Africa. This country is not very developed, which is why its people are forced to live in extreme poverty. This country shares borders with the Central African Republic to the southwest, Chad to the west, Egypt to the north, Libya to the northwest, South Sudan to the south, and the Red Sea. The total area of this country is 1.886 million square kilometers, which makes it the 15th largest country in the world. By area, Sudan is the third largest country in Africa. Algeria is number 1, the Democratic Republic of Congo is number 2, and Sudan is number 3. The official languages spoken in Sudan are Arabic and English. Sudanese people are very fluent in the Arabic language. Even today, if you meet a Sudanese person in an Arab country, you will notice two things. First, their skin will be dark, and second, they will have a somewhat serious temperament. Esteemed friends, Sudan is the country in the world with the most Hafizi Quran, memorizers of the Quran. The recitation of the Quran by Sudanese people is famous all over the world for its beautiful voice. The state of Darfur in Sudan is the only region in the world where the most Hafizi Quran have been produced. The total population of this state is about 10 million, out of which about 5.5 million people are Hafizi Quran. The main source of income for the people here is farming. Many tribes here fight with each other, and the reasons for their disputes are farming and grazing. The Nile River also flows through the land of Sudan, which is the world's second largest river. The world's number 1 largest river is the Amazon. The total length of the Nile River is 6,650 kilometers, and the length of the Amazon River is 6,992 kilometers. The currency used in Sudan is the Sudanese pound. 1 Sudanese pound is equal to 0.46 Pakistani rupees and 0.14 Indian rupees. Sudan's annual GDP is $172.651 billion, and the per capita income is $3,604, which is equal to 1.35 million Pakistani rupees and 319,000 Indian rupees. The people of Sudan are extremely poor. A very small number of foreign tourists travel to Sudan. Khartoum is the capital of Sudan and holds the distinction of being the largest city in the country. In Arabic, this city is called Al-Khartoum. The total area of this city is 1,010 square kilometers, and its population is 6.29 million people. It is an important commercial and cultural city of Sudan. It is a metropolitan city. People from all over Sudan come to this city for business. The largest airport in Sudan, Khartoum Airport, is also located in this city. Even the largest university in Sudan, called Khartoum University, is in this city. The famous places in this city are the Night View of Khartoum, Khartoum Mosque, University of Khartoum, and the El Mek Namr Bridge. If we look at the history of Sudan, during the 18th century, the interference of the Ottoman Empire and Britain kept the Sudanese people as slaves. They were quite weak, due to which most of the areas were under British rule before the 19th century. But during the 19th century, Egypt also conquered many areas here. There was a conflict between Britain and Egypt, as both wanted the other to leave, but this was not possible. In April 1952, the Sudanese government declared an autonomous constitution. 2 years later, in 1954, a parliament was formed, and Ismail al-Azhari was elected as the prime minister. On January 1, 1956, the prime minister declared an independent republic, and the British and Egyptian residents were removed from all government institutions. From 1956 until today, Sudan is known as the Republic of Sudan. the total population of Sudan is 49.175 million. It is the 30th largest country in the world in terms of population. The population is made up of 70% Sudanese Arabs, 5.5% Beja, 2.5% Nuba, 2% Fur, 2% Egyptians, 1% Hausa, 0.5% Fulani, and the remaining 17.3% belong to other communities. If we talk about the religion of the people here, 97% are Sunni Muslims. 1.5% are Christians, 1.5% have traditional faiths, and the remaining 0.9% belong to other religions. The literal meaning of the word Sudan is the land of the black people. 99.9% of the population of Sudan consists of black people. The literacy rate in Sudan is 80%. Currently, people are very inclined towards education. Educational institutions receive a lot of foreign funding, due to which the education system is stable. The health sector in the country is extremely weak. There are only 2 doctors available for every 15,000 patients. Many patients die because they don't get treatment. The national sport of Sudan is football. Other sports like running, cycling, basketball, and volleyball are also played. The national food of Sudan is full medams. This dish is eaten with great fondness throughout Africa. The flag of Sudan is very similar to many other Arab countries. The flag consists of 4 colors, green, red, white, and black. Driving in Sudan is on the right side. The country has a vast network of roads. The bus, tram, and taxi systems are also in a poor state. The train system is very old and in an extremely dilapidated condition. People are forced to travel by train because it's cheap. Sudan maintains its economy by exporting natural oil, gold, copper, zinc, fruits, and vegetables to other countries. In many areas of Sudan, along with poverty, there is also a big problem with clean water. People are forced to use dirty water. 60% of the people in Sudan use mobile phones and the internet. The calling code for Sudan is +249, and the internet domain name is .sd. The national fruit of Sudan is the mango. The national tree is the acacia tree, and the national flower is the hibiscus. The country has 4 seasons: winter, summer, autumn, and spring. Snowfall also occurs in many parts of the country. Foreigners love to enjoy the snowfall here. The land of Sudan is lush and green. More than 40% of the people are involved in agriculture. The country has beautiful mountains, green forests, dry deserts, plains, valleys, and rivers. Everything is present here. Like Egypt, Sudan also has pyramids, but their size is much smaller than the Egyptian pyramids. More than 220 pyramids have been reported in Sudan. A shameful fact about Sudan is that adultery is very common in the country. Most of the people here are infected with diseases like AIDS. People even have sexual relations with animals to fulfill their desires. Even today, in 2023, young girls are sold in Sudan. May Allah guide these Muslims and help them. In Sudan, weddings are performed differently by every tribe and every community. Girls are married at the age of 18, and boys are married at the age of 20 to 22. In Darfur, Sudan, continuous fighting has been going on for 20 years. You will find very few dance clubs in Sudan. Alcohol and other drugs are very common. Sudan celebrates its National Day on January 1st. People celebrate ALOT.SO. Esteemed friends, this was our informative and interesting video. How did you like the video about Sudan? Please share your opinion in the comment box. And I request all new friends to subscribe to our channel, share as much as you can, and like it. This is the love we are waiting for. So, we will meet in the next video.